What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be sharing my honest review of the RiotXAI about the trading of there is an latest AI RiotX that has been launched and I'm going to review it for you guys. So make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first is, what is RiotXAI? RiotXAI is a cutting-edge fintech platform that leverages AI to automate trading, focusing on arbitrage and high-frequency trading. Its key strengths include advanced algorithms that identify price discrepancies across various markets, high-speed trade execution, and robust risk management features. The platform is particularly notable for its intuitive interface, making it accessible to both novice and experienced traders. So, if I go to the product page here, you will see what they're actually offering. So users have reported consistent return during its beta phase, highlighting the efficiency of its AI-driven approach. RiotXAI aims to make sophisticated trading accessible to a broader audience while delivering high performance. So this is my personal review for the RiotXAI. I hope you find this video helpful.